In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your PayPal account from this to this. But please, if you want to make this strategy work, follow this video through to the finish, because you must use all 4 of the ways shown in this video in order for this to be successful. I have 4 strategies for you in this video. Now let's start with strategy number 1. This website called a Tap-All. So what exactly is this app, and how can we make money while we're here? On this app, you can earn money by participating in surveys. As you can see, get paid for taking surveys on your phone. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection to get started. Take a look at this. Take surveys, get rewards. All you actually want to do is download and install this app on your phone and then start doing surveys, which are quite easy and enjoyable to complete. You will get rewarded for each survey that you complete. With this website, you can expect to make between $3 and $5 each hour. Every month, I made somewhere between $20 and $30. Also, withdrawing money is a fast and straightforward process. And the minimum amount required for PayPal is just £3, which is a very low threshold when compared to other survey sites. So according to this site, you can make up to $20 per day by using the service. Now let's move to strategy number 2. This website is called Ad-a-Clicks. This is a site where advertisers can advertise their products and services, and the users of this site can get paid for viewing those short ads. This is actually an easy way of making money online, since all you need to do is to click on advertisements. Take a look at this or an extra cash from your online activities. You can earn money by completing surveys, offers, clicking ads, joining contests, and referring others to this website. And right here, we can see they provide many withdrawal methods, including Pay or Skrill and much more. The website, or the strategy number 3, is swinbucks.com. On this site, you can earn money for watching simple and short videos. Yes, simply grab your phone, go onto swinbucks.com and start playing videos. For each video you watch, you'll get paid. It's really simple. As you can see, you can get paid every 15 seconds. Right here. They offer multiple ways to earn free cash online. You can view ads, you can just click and earn. You can watch videos, complete offers. And to make more money, you can use their affiliate program, share your affiliate link to others, and maximize your earning potential. The last website is called Captura. This is an online review site that pays users for reviewing products and services. There are many different software that you can review, such as Google Docs, Google Drive, WordPress, Microsoft Word, Grammarly, and much more. I've been using this site for over a year now, and I can say this is one of the best websites to make money online. This is totally legit, pays well, anyone can do this, and this is completely free. You can make $10 for a simple review. And if you write 10 reviews, you earn $100. If you end up getting value, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn the notification bell. See you soon.